Hi, Angela. Where are we going today? We're going to the bird feeding. Yeah?
Yeah. Look at that deck. We're in the train.
We're in the train. Look at the train. Wow. Charlie, say hi.
Hi.
He's following you, Charlie. He's following you. Oh, he's catching you. Charlie, there's the bird. There. Whoa, look at that! You said you want to feed the bird. Here.
It's worms.
Yeah, he's eating worms. That's their food. Come here. Oh, you hold the cup. You wanna hold the cup? What is eating? Worms, right? Woo! Scared. Thank you. Woo! Woo!
Look, there's a unicorn.
It's not a unicorn. It's not a unicorn. It's a pony.
Yeah, there's something here.
Here's mommy. She's playing in the kids' play area.
I'm not that happy. Woo!
What can we see there, Charlie?
A rhino.
A rhino and
A giraffe.
a giraffe.